The Zenbook's screen is more than serviceable, with decent color and plenty of luminosity. Despite high scores, though, I hesitate to say it's any better than competing displays. When I watched a trailer for Deadpool 2, the hero suit was the perfect shade of dark red, but the yellow jumpsuits in a prison were dull, even against a gray background. And I wished I could turn up the brightness just a teeny bit. Zenbook 13 comes with an Intel Core i5-8250 CPU, 8GB of RAM, a 256GB SATA SSD and an NVIDIA GeForce MX150 GPU. That's plenty for multitasking. I had more than 25 tabs open in Google Chrome, including one streaming a 1080p clip of The Daily Show with Trevor Noah from YouTube, without seeing as much as a hiccup. The Asus Zenbook 13 UX331UN offers strong performance, long battery life and a striking design that will make people at Starbucks do a double take. If you want to spend less, you'll want to go for the Lenovo Yoga 720, which starts at $849.99. You'll get similar specs, but we dinged it for a flat keyboard and a dim display. For stronger performance, opt for the Dell XPS 13. You'll need to pay $1,199 for competing specs, but you'll get an even better display, longer battery life and stronger performance, thanks to Dell's cooling system. Webcam. Asus continues a not-so-grand tradition of crappy webcams with the Zenbook 13. Its 480p front-facing shooter produces blurry images. A shot that I took in our well-lit office didn't capture fine details, like the unfortunate popcorning on our ceiling or the hairs on my head. You won't have to worry about the Zenbook 13 overheating. It stayed nice and cool during our heat tests. After streaming 15 minutes of HD video from YouTube, it measured 84 degrees Fahrenheit on the touchpad, 88 degrees between the G and H keys and 91 degrees on the underside. Of those temperatures are well below our comfort threshold of 95 degrees.